Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the laptop has stable power and you won't be interrupted. Once connected, reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI to check whether the GPU appears. If it does not, boot into Safe Mode or into Windows and open Device Manager to see if the GPU is listed or shown as unknown. You want to capture any error codes or missing devices now, because those clues guide the next steps, driver reinstallation or firmware changes, so make notes as you go. Once you've recorded the Device Manager state, run Display Driver Uninstaller in Safe Mode to remove corrupted driver traces. This prevents conflicts. Next, install the laptop maker's latest BIOS or UEFI firmware and the chipset drivers, because those enable proper PCIe and GPU handoff. After a reboot, install the official GPU driver from the vendor that matches your laptop model. Do not mix generic and OEM builds, and restart again. These steps re-establish driver, firmware, and bus communication to restore detection. Now confirm detection by opening Device Manager and a GPU utility like GPU-Z. Make sure the device shows correct name and memory. If it still doesn't appear, reset BIOS settings to defaults and recheck power options and hybrid graphics settings, because misconfigured BIOS can hide discrete GPUs. If the problem persists, collect screenshots, error codes, and behavior notes, then contact repair service or manufacturer support. Troubleshooting tip: try a live Linux USB to isolate OS version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.